Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're going to create a custom attribute directive. So let's get started. Here in our editor, we're going to head to the terminal and we're going to use the Angular CLI. So ng generate directive, and we're going to add our directive name. So let's call it basics, and hit enter. And the Angular CLI automatically generates two files for us: basic.directive.spec and basics.directive.as. And if we check on app.modules, we'll find that it automatically imported the directive for us and it added it to the declarations. So now let's head to the basic.directive.as. First thing we can note that the Angular CLI added an app prefix before our directive name, and that's to differentiate between our directives and third-party imported directives. Now we need a reference to the element that our directive will sit on. So in the constructor, we add a dependency private. We can call this whatever we want, element. Let's call it element ref, and it's element ref. So we're gonna also implement the on-init lifecycle. So implement on-init, and here we're ng on-init. And first we're gonna change the background for our element. So element ref, native element, style, and background. Well, let's make it red. So red. And we can also change the inner HTML. So this element, native element, inner text, let's add this is our daily tutorial. Now let's go to the app.component.html. Here we're gonna add an h3, and we're gonna add our directive app basics. Now let's check the browser, and here we can see our red background with the text that we added through our directive. So this is a basic custom attribute directive. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.